Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this brown color envelope. This brown color envelope I had received from Istanbul, Turkey. I did receive this envelope on 8th of September 2020. Come on, let's unbox this envelope and see the currencies coming out of this envelope. This was sent by Alfar Muirim of Turkey, Istanbul. This was the nicely packed package received by me. Come on, let's unbox this. The first one is a 1 ruble of Russia of a former Soviet Union. This currency has the coat of arms of Russia on it. The second one is a odd denominated currency with the denomination of 3 leva of Bulgaria, issued as the state banknote in the year 1951. On the obverse is the arms and on the reverse is a star holding a hammer and sickle. The third one is a 1 mannat of Turkmenistan, issued in the year 1993. On the obverse is the landscape of Ylymlar Academy in Aşğabat, and on the reverse is Ilarslanyn Yadygarligi mausoleum. The fourth one is from Paraguay, denominated as 1000 Guaranies, issued in the year 2004. On the obverse is the portrait of Marshal Francisco Solano Lopez, and on the reverse is Virgin of Asuncion Church, National Pantheon of Heroes. The fifth one is a 0.5 or a half Quatzal of Guatemala, issued in the year 1996. On the obverse is the portrait of Tukun woman, and on the reverse is a sickle temple. The sixth one is a 10 Egyptian pound. On the obverse is Al Rifai Mosque in Cairo, and on the reverse is Pharaoh Temperem. The seventh one is a 10 emalangeni of Swaziland, issued in the year 2015. On the obverse is the portrait of King Matswati III, and on the reverse is a princess at Novala kingship ceremony. The eighth one is 20 som of Kyrgyzstan, issued in the year 2002. On the obverse is Toglok Moldo, and on the reverse is Manas mausoleum. The ninth one is 20 pesos of Philippines, issued in the year 2015. On the obverse is the portrait of Manuel Quezon. Along with are the people during proclamation of Filipino as a national language in the year 1935, and Malakwang Palace, and on the reverse is Rice Terrace of Banaqui, Asian Palm Clevelet. The 10th one is 2 cents of China, issued by HAINAN Bank in the year 1949. This is a uniface currency with the portrait of Dr. Sun Yat-sen. The 11th one is 10 Afghanis of Afghanistan. This is the President Muhammad Dawood issue. On the obverse is the portrait of President Muhammad Dawood, and on the reverse is an arc of Kailat-e Bosque in Lashkar Ghar. The 12th one is one ESCUDOS of Chile, issued in the year 1964. On the obverse is the portrait of Arturo Prat, and on the reverse is a founding of Santiago de Chile. The 13th one is 5 Egyptian pounds. On the obverse is the portrait of Aban bin Tulung Mosque in Cairo, and on the reverse is Frizi, which represents the bounty of river Nile. The 14th one is a 500 mannat of Turkmenistan, issued in the year 2005. On the obverse is the portrait of President Saparmurat Yazgov, and on the reverse is a depiction of jewelry. The 15th and the last one is 1,000 drachmai of Greece, issued in the year 1970. On the obverse is a Zeus, Artemis and Poseidon statue in the National Archaeological Museum, Athens. Amphitheater of Epidaurus, and on the reverse is a woman with a backdrop of a Hydra island in Greece. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.
To know more about these coins and currencies, please visit our website at www.onearcher.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please mention the next interesting video that you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect